Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 3.3 F33A FTV engine is a significant departure for Toyota's diesel lineup, moving from the venerable V8 1VD FTV to a more compact, yet powerful V6. Introduced in 2021 with the Land Cruiser 300 series and later in the Lexus LX 500D, it represents Toyota's commitment to improve fuel efficiency and lower emissions while maintaining the legendary reliability associated with their Land Cruiser vehicles. History and versions. The F33A FTV is Toyota's first V6 diesel engine. It was developed as a direct replacement for the 4.5 L1VD FTV V8 diesel, aiming for better fuel economy and reduced emissions, primarily in response to evolving global regulations. The engine features a 90-degree V6 configuration, a departure from Toyota's usual 60-degree V6 designs. This choice likely allows for better packaging of the twin turbochargers within the V of the engine and potentially some parts commonality with other Toyota engines. To counteract the inherent balance issues of a 90-degree V6, it incorporates a split balancer shaft. It is a twin-turbocharged unit with variable geometry turbochargers, VGT/VNT, for optimal boost pressure across a wide RPM range. At low speeds, it operates in a single turbo mode for responsiveness, transitioning to twin-turbo operation at higher speeds for sustained power. Review and opinions. Initial opinions on the F33A FTV have been largely positive, particularly regarding its power delivery and refinement. Drivers often note impressive power and torque. Despite being smaller than its V8 predecessor, it delivers competitive power figures: 220 to 227 kilowatts / 295 to 304 horsepower. 700 Newton-meters / 516 lb-ft of torque, often surpassing the outgoing V8's performance. This is particularly noticeable with its paired 10-speed automatic transmission. Smoothness and refinement. The V6 configuration, combined with advanced engineering like the balancer shaft and sophisticated turbocharging, results in a very smooth and refined operation for a diesel engine. Improved fuel efficiency. As a primary design goal, the F33A FTV generally offers better fuel economy compared to the 1VD FTV, a significant advantage for a large SUV. Modern technology. It incorporates a range of modern diesel technologies, including a common rail direct injection system, DPF, diesel particulate filter, SCR, selective catalytic reduction, with urea injection, AdBlue, and advanced cooling systems for the turbos. However, the increased complexity due to emission control systems and other advanced features is a common point of discussion, with some owners expressing concerns about potential long-term maintenance. Advantages. Higher power and torque output. Delivers strong performance, comparable to or exceeding the V8 it replaces, especially in the crucial low to mid RPM range. Improved fuel economy. Designed for better efficiency, contributing to lower running costs for a vehicle of its size and capability. Reduced emissions. Meets stricter modern emission standards thanks to its advanced emissions control systems. Refined operation. Quieter and smoother than many previous diesel engines, enhancing the driving experience. Robust construction. Features a cast-iron cylinder block with a closed deck, steel pistons, and a forged steel crankshaft, indicating a strong foundation for durability. Advanced turbocharging. Variable nozzle twin turbos provide excellent response and power delivery across the rev range. Disadvantages. Complexity of emissions systems. The diesel particulate filter, DPF, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, systems, which require AdBlue/DEF, add layers of complexity and potential points of failure, which can be costly to repair or maintain, especially in regions with varying fuel quality or limited infrastructure for DEF. Reliance on quality fuel and maintenance. Like all modern diesels, it is highly sensitive to fuel quality and requires strict adherence to maintenance schedules, including proper oil specifications, to prevent issues with the sophisticated fuel injection system and emission components. Newer technology, less long-term data. Being a relatively new engine, long-term reliability data is still accumulating compared to its predecessor, the 1.3 F33A, which had decades of proven reliability. Potential for dusting issues. Some Toyota airbox designs have been prone to allowing dust past the seal, which can lead to engine wear, a concern that aftermarket solutions aim to address. While not specific to the F33A FTV, it's a general point for Land Cruisers in dusty environments. Faults and breakdowns. As a relatively new engine, widespread and common major faults are not yet extensively documented. However, some initial points of discussion and potential concerns include emission system issues, problems with DPF regeneration, DEF system sensors, or AdBlue quality/supply can lead to reduced engine performance or even render the vehicle undrivable. This is a common challenge with modern diesels across all manufacturers. Software irregularities. Certification Toyota Industries Corporation, TICO, which manufactures these engines, reported irregularities during horsepower output testing, where software different from mass production ECUs was used to smooth data. Toyota stated this did not affect actual power, torque, emissions, safety, or drivability of mass-produced engines, but it did lead to temporary suspension of shipments. This is a certification issue, not a direct mechanical fault. Turbocharger longevity. While designed with their own cooling systems, turbos are rare items in any forced induction engine. The complexity of variable geometry twin turbos means potential for future issues, though Toyota generally engineers for durability. Fuel system sensitivity. As with any common rail diesel, low quality or contaminated fuel can quickly damage injectors and the high-pressure fuel pump, leading to expensive repairs. Fuel consumption. The F33A FTV, especially in the Land Cruiser 300 series, is significantly more fuel efficient than its V8 predecessor. Official WLTC combined cycle figures are around 9.7 liters per 100 kilometers. Real-world driving can see figures vary, but many users report combined fuel consumption in the range of 9.5 to 11.0 L/100 km, which is impressive for a large, heavy 4x4 with strong performance. This translates to approximately 21 to 24 mpg US or 25 to 29 mpg Imperial. With a 110-liter fuel tank, 80L main plus 30L subtank, depending on market, a range of over 750 miles, 1,200 kilometers, on a single tank is achievable under ideal conditions. Timing. The F33A FTV engine uses a timing chain for its valve train. This is a robust and maintenance-free design, meaning it generally does not require periodic replacement like a timing belt, contributing to lower long-term maintenance costs and increased reliability. The valve train is a two-step system, with a primary roller chain from the crankshaft to the injection pump shaft, and then secondary chains driving the camshafts. Oil type. For the F33A FTV, the specific recommended oil type and viscosity should always be confirmed in the vehicle's owner's manual for your region and model year. Given it's a modern diesel with DPF, it will require a low-ash, ACS C2 or C3 synthetic diesel engine oil. Common viscosities might include CE0W 30 or 5W30. Oil capacity. The engine oil capacity for the F33A FTEV is approximately 6.6 liters, including the filter. Maintenance. Strict adherence to recommended oil change intervals and using the correct high-quality oil are paramount for the longevity of the DPF and the entire engine, especially the common rail injection system. Due to the complexity of modern diesel emission systems, some specialists recommend shorter oil change intervals than the OEM standard, particularly for vehicles used in demanding conditions, heavy towing, off-roading, dusty environments. Versions. Currently, there aren't distinct versions of the F33A FTV engine in terms of major mechanical variations like single versus twin turbo, as the standard configuration is a twin turbo V6. However, its application varies. Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series. FJ300. This is its primary application, where it replaced the 1VD FTV. Lexus LX 500D. FJ310, the luxury SUV sibling to the Land Cruiser 300 Series. In essence, the Toyota 3.3 F33A FTV engine represents Toyota's modern approach to diesel power, prioritizing efficiency and emissions without compromising on the robust performance and durability expected from a Land Cruiser powertrain. While it brings the added complexity of advanced emission control systems, its core engineering remains focused on reliability. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.